Alright, this is chapter 4, number 2. For each scenario, you're going to find the slope, y-intercept, and write the linear model in slope-intercept form. Okay, so here, let's take a look. It says, charge the people delivery fee of $5 to place an order. The app then charged $1.20 per mile. Here, the word per already gave it away. Okay, the word per here gave it away. Okay, it's per mile. Right, so this is actually the slope. M is equal to 1.20. All right. Then to place the order was the fee. This is the fee. This is the one-time fee. So this is the y-intercept. Okay, and we know the equation is y is equal to mx plus b. And I'm going to copy this equation because I'm going to be using it later. And we know that the slope, it is 1.2. The y-intercept, which is 5. And then we are going to use the letter m to represent miles. Okay. So y is equal to 1.2m plus 5. That is the equation that represents the delivery for Uber Eats. Let's look at B. At the beginning of spring, Ava plants a small tree in her backyard. She got the small sunflower at a height of 1 inch. Ooh, right? She got it at the store at a height of 1 inch. So this is the y-intercept here. Okay. She planted the tree, and after 7 weeks, the flower is 15 inches tall. Ooh, so this is interesting. So she got it at 1 inch, then it became 15 inch. Okay. How much it grew was 14 inch in 7 weeks. So to get it in 1 week, we divide it by 7. So that means it's 2 inches in 1 week. This is considered the slope. So here's your equation, y equals mx plus b. That slope, it is going to be 2 over 1, or we can just write 2 inches per 1 week. And the y-intercept here, it is plus 1, right? Because when she got it, it was 1. For the first week, it was 3. Then the next week, the third week, it is 5. The fourth week, it is the third week, it is 7, right? Then so on. So it goes from 1 to 3 to 5 to 7 to 9, right? It's adding 2 each week, and after 7 weeks it is 15 inches tall. Next, Jen checked the weather, and it says the temperature going outside is starting to cool. She went outside at noon when the temperature was 60 degrees at noon. So this is your y-intercept of 60 degrees. Here it says every 30 minutes it decreases 2 degrees, so you minus 2 degrees per 30 minutes. But notice this is in hours, so we want this in hours. So 30 minutes becomes 60 minutes. This means it's 4 degrees because I just double it per 60 minutes. I can take out the word 60 minutes and just write the number 1 hour. Here, this is considered to be the slope. All right, here is the equation. Y equals mx plus b. The m here, it is your -4. And then your y-intercept, which is 60. So the equation outside, temperature is governed by this equation. Y equals to -4x plus 60.